everyone, I'm Kaya from Thai Rapid. Welcome back to my channel. Over the years working on CNC machining projects, I have learned that cost is never just about materials or machining time. Design complexity, material type, quantity, machining method, equipment, label, energy, surface finish, packaging, shipping, each can shape your final cost. Let's start with design. The more complex the geometry, the longer the tool path, and the higher the machining time. For example, a 5-axis aluminum turbine impeller took us 9 hours per piece, costing $2,200 each initially. But with 1,000 pieces, the cost dropped to $340. That's an 84% reduction. Material matters. 6061 aluminum typically costs $8 to $12 per part, while stainless steel like 304 can be $22 to $35 due to higher cutting resistance and 30% to 50% longer machining time. We once made a 435mm 5-axis aluminum structure, $1,200 for one piece, but only $560 each at 1,000 pieces. Machine type is another cost driver. A 3-axis machine runs at $40 to $55 per hour, while a 5-axis machine costs $80 to $120 per hour, but handles more complex parts. Surface finishes also matter. Anodizing is $12 to $18, sandblasting plus anodizing costs $30 to $35, and mirror polishing can go over $1,000 due to handwork and premium materials. We also provide custom packaging, usually adding $2 to $5 per item, but this investment brings stronger brand identity and competitiveness. On the shipping side, we always choose UPS, FedEx, and DHL, top-tier couriers, though higher in cost $25 to $50 per shipment. They deliver to the US in 3 to 5 days with food tracking. Cheaper couriers might save $10 to $20, but take 13 to 15 days and involve higher risk. We are willing to invest more in shipping to ensure our customers receive their parts promptly, safely, and reliably. Lastly, quantity is the ultimate lever to reduce cost. From 1 to 1,000 pieces, cost drops dramatically. After 1,000 pieces, economies of scale kick in. That's why we always recommend defining your target quantity early, so we can help you reduce costs across design, machining, packaging, and shipping. Want to learn more CNC insights like this? Hit subscribe, follow me.